Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and trading tips. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer USDT from Exportal to Bybit in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDT quickly and securely, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for any platform updates, as things can change in the fast-paced crypto world. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Exportal and Bybit. If you don't, head over to their websites or apps and create one. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, open the Bybit app or website. Go to your wallet section and select USDT. Here, you'll need to generate a deposit address. Copy this address carefully. It's your key to a successful transfer. Now, switch over to Exportal. Log in and navigate to your wallet or assets page. Find your USDT balance and look for the Withdraw or Send option. When you click it, you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. That's the one you just copied from Bybit. Double-check that it's correct to avoid any mishaps. Next, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the estimated costs first. Select the appropriate network, like Tron or Ethereum, depending on what's supported in 2025. Always match it with Bybit's requirements. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. You might need to verify this with two-factor authentication for added security. After initiating the transfer, keep an eye on your transaction status. It usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it shows up in your Bybit wallet, you're all set. Pro tip: always start with a small test transfer if you're new to this. And there you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from Exportal to Bybit in 2025. It's simple once you get the hang of it, but if you run into any issues, reach out to the platform's support teams. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you in the next video.